Really collected.
Because I know, like, honestly, like, she's just needs to get her muscle back.
Yeah. Well, she hasn't really done much since Florida, eh? Well, Lindsay had her out of it.
In May, I think checking it was like May 20th or.
But the vet said she still needed to grow, so we had to let her have some time off to do that. Because she's just so big, she just can't. She's huge. And you see, like, the two pieces, she's still trying to get her body to work for it.
Feeling really stupid right now. You haven't jumped tonight.
Well, it's just
you haven't really jumped since Max.
But I know the last couple of days I'll just jump her just so she's not too awkward when she comes to jump.
Freight train around.
Yeah, like I just don't want to, like I rode the hunter, so you're not allowed to haul on them. It's like, land, sit up, and whoa.
Oh, yeah, and she's so big you sit up, shouldn't you?
Yeah. He'll move.
Well, that's okay.
Max just sits there. Whatever, it's just Maddie.
Good girl.
It's a little tight.
You're all tanned.
Yeah, I know very.
Red.
Am I almost matching Glenn? Remember him in Florida?
No, he takes the cake, that guy.
Honey's smart, she's in the shade.
Yeah.
She's not stupid. She's laughing.
Whoa.
It's like saddle. It's great.
Yeah.
What is that?
And what is it?
Antares.
An Antares
nice,
monoflap.
It's really nice. Look at the difference in when someone gets on. Holy crap. See, that's what I can't do.
And you have no legs.
Of
course, like it requires a lot of.
I just sit there and try not to flop around too badly.
You're the same as me.
I'm kind of different.
Maddie's been on holidays, so because of me riding her.
I think like the last time she's really been jumped as checkmate, eh? Maybe?
Oh yeah, see, like look at that.
That's good. I've never really seen her go before.
That's true, eh? I've
Yeah.
never ridden her.
Holy, I'm in the way of photography.
Paparazzi.
I know I get the easy job, I just videotape.
Your arm's gonna get sore. Those dressage tests today were brutal.
Yeah. I'm like the videotaping queen today.
Kalina's teaching me how to actually use my camera.
Well, it's not like it's intuitive, right? You know, like you have to sort of figure out what all the buttons are.
No, it's not.